Welcome to E-BookBeast training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create ebook and ebook cover in E-BookBeast. For ebook cover, go to the left menu. Click on Cover Builder. Now you are in Cover Builder section. Now choose File from your local and click on Edit. Now you are in Editor section. You can edit your cover with vast variety of tools. Once you done editing, click on Apply, then Done, and you can save your cover in your local storage in your desired quality and format. To create an ebook, click on Create Ebook option. Now you are on Ebook Create panel. Insert your ebook title. Choose a cover of your ebook. Add introduction. Conclusion. Recommended resources of your ebook. You can also add footer CTA text and footer CTA link if you want. By clicking on Submit button, your ebook is created. You can manage your created ebook in Manage Ebook section, where you can see your created ebook in PDF format. You can add chapters in your created ebook if you want. You can edit or delete your ebook anytime you want. Thanks for watching the video.